back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting and long-awaited video for you guys. This is my room transformation slash makeover. So I'm super excited for you guys to see my new room. I am so excited. I've been working on it for so long, probably like 6 months now. And I'm just so excited for you guys to see it. So before we get started, please like this video and subscribe down below. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'm gonna need your help for that. Without further ado, here's my room transformation. Okay, so we just cleaned out this section of my closet, and that is everything that we emptied out. These are all the hangers we have, and Liv's been helping me. Hi guys, so I may or may not have accidentally deleted the rest of the closet clean out footage. So that happened. I'm really sorry because I literally filmed so much of me cleaning out my closet, and it was so satisfying to see my closet come together and become clean and nice. And also when I look back at the footage, I cannot believe that my closet actually looked like that. Like the piles on the side, just a disaster. I can't believe it. Anyway, so that's the problem. I deleted the rest of the footage, so I'm sorry about that. But at least you got to see a little bit, and it looks so much better now. I can't wait for you guys to see the after. So my dad and I were trying to hang up the swing chair in this corner, but because the chain wasn't long enough and it couldn't reach the ceiling, we had to move it to a different corner in the room. So that's why you see us switch locations.
Besties! Besties! Besties!
Besties, alright, let's test it out. Don't feel it, yeah, but
Oh, sorry.
this is fun.
This is fun.
Is it falling?
No.
Okay, I think we're good.
If you fall, you're gonna see. Vazium.
I'm just sticky rolling my chair to get all the cat hair off of it, just cat owner things, and I'm adding some cute temporary pillows that I got from outside, but I ended up changing those later. So. Alright, so we're about to go into Target, and I'm going to try and get some stuff for my room. I also want to say that I'm very proud of my outfit. I put in effort today. Alrighty, so it is now nighttime, and we came back from Target, and I got these beautiful command strips. So let me just say, my thoughts on command strips are very picky, okay? I don't like any of the sticker ones. They are terrible. They always fall off. I hung literally sheets of paper. I'll show you. Here's my beautiful brother. He's gonna demonstrate. So I hung up literally pieces of paper that I painted with the sticky ones. I'll show you after. And they literally just fell. Literally sheets of paper. So don't use the paper. If you're gonna buy command strips, I highly recommend buying only the Velcro ones. This is what they look like. They're beautiful, honestly. Whoops.
Same thing with mine.
Yeah, we got 2 packs. Get the Velcro ones. I got ones that small, medium, and large so that I can use it for like everything. I'm gonna hang up this beauty right here. So this is like one of my attempts. Oh, by the way, let me just tell you why these are so good, these Velcro ones. So literally, I had canvases that I painted when I was like a few years ago, honestly, like 3 years ago or something, and they were hanging up with the Velcro, with these Velcro strips for 3 years. So that shows you how amazing these Velcro strips are. I'm just gonna put the Velcro strips on these and then stick them to the wall. time to put my necklaces on these hooks.
Bracelets.
Ta-da! You like that?
She likes shell bracelets.
Yeah, my beachy ones. So I bought this pack of white hangers today, and I'm thinking, because I have another, like I have a bunch of other clothing on these hangers, but I'm thinking since I have a lot that's just on different hangers, to take them off and put them on these, because then it will like add like it'll make my closet a lot more organized. So that's what I'm going to do. We're just going to be taking down the items of clothing, putting these hangers on, and call me crazy, but I think it's going to turn out good in the end. Watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Hopefully by the next few weeks I'll figure out my filming arrangement. I have a few more locations that I want to film at, so I will do those throughout the next few videos, and you guys can tell me which one you like the best. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye!